Welcome to yet another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel, and today I'm going to unbox this watch here from West End Watch Company. I got this watch on loan from our boutique, and West End is one of the brands that they carry. They carry lots of Seikos, G-Shocks, and a host of other Swiss watches, and I happened to come across this one here from West End Watch Company. So the name here does sound like something English, alright, or American, but actually it says here it's an original Swiss brand since 1886. So I would say this is one of those older Swiss brands that have sort of gone under the radar in recent years. So let's just go ahead with the unboxing. I'm going to flip open the cover here, and here you will see the second inner box here. This is very typical with many Swiss brand watches, so they always have two layers of boxes, and this one flips open, and okay, so we see the watch that is being unboxed today. And I gotta tell you, this is alright, obviously a homage, alright, of a very famous R brand of watch, alright, and we're just gonna zoom in and take a closer look first. So I've taken out the watch from the plastic cover, and everything here is printed, alright, everything West End Watch Company on the plastic bag, the inside of the watch box, alright. So obviously they've done quite a bit of homework when it comes to packaging, alright. So first impressions, the watch is pretty small. If I'm not wrong, it is about 37 to 38 millimeters, and I would think it's a very classic size. This reminds me of something very old school, the kind of late 70s to mid 80s kind of look, where two-tone watches are in trend. So now I've removed the packaging to let you have a more detailed look at the West End watch. Okay, so this is a homage, I would say, or a copy of the Rolex Day-Date model, and you can see here there's a day complication at the 12 o'clock area, and of course there's this unmistakable Rolex-ish kind of Cyclops date at the 3 o'clock. So this is really old school, and it's got that fluted bezel that is done in what I believe to be gold plated, and to top off that classic old school look, we've even got a very nice looking Precedent bracelet. Okay, I believe this style is called the Precedent bracelet, where the links are longer and pretty slim. Alright, so it tapers down pretty nicely. I believe I think it goes from 18 to 16 or even 15 millimeters. Alright, see, it tapers down quite a bit, and again this gives the watch a very old school feel to it. So this kind of two-tone look is very popular when it comes to Datejust or Day-Date Rolex models, and I believe West End Watch Company has used this design, and I would think people who are looking for this kind of design, they would probably resonate with this very model that I'm holding in my hands. It's got that sunburst green dial, and indices are plated in gold as well. Okay, I'm going to remove the protective film for the full review, but this one here has got a display case back, so I think that's very different from the usual Rolex that we see. Those things have covered case back, and I think from afar it does look like it doesn't look like anything else but a Rolex, alright, from afar. Okay, I'll go into a more detailed review in the next few weeks, so keep a lookout for the video to come live again. Thanks for tuning into the Watch Kaki. Bye bye.